Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Narinder and welcome back to Be10x. Today we are diving into a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you tackle complex problems in Excel Solver. But before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Be10x is offering an exclusive workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. The link is in the description. We'll talk more about it later in the video.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Now let's talk about Excel Solver. Excel Solver is a optimization tool that allows you to find the best solution to a problem by changing multiple variables. Whether you are dealing with financial models, logistics, scheduling, or any other complex scenarios, Excel Solver can help you find the optimal solution effectively. One of the key features of Excel Solver is its ability to handle constraints. We can set constraints on variables to ensure that the solution meets certain criteria or limitations. This makes it incredibly versatile for a wide range of applications. Now let's dive into how to use Excel Solver. So for this purpose, we are going to use ChatGPT. As you can see, here is a prompt which I gave to ChatGPT. We'll look into the solution, but before that, let's talk about something which is very important. AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in a career, join our 2-hour Microsoft Office using AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. So back to the topic. So this is the prompt which I gave. Can you help me with an example in Excel using Excel Solver? Create dummy data to perform the example. So here is the result which we got. Let's create a simple example where we'll use Excel Solver to optimize the production mix of a company. Let's say we have a company that produces two products, which are product A and product B. The company has limited resources for production, such as labor, hours, and raw materials, and wants to determine the optimal quantity of each product to maximize profit. So we want to determine the optimal quantity of each product to maximize profit. So here is a table. Column A contains products A and B. Column B contains selling price per unit. Column C contains variable cost per unit, and column D contains total available resources. So let's copy the table to our sheet, okay, which I have already done. So here what I'm going to do is I've already applied Excel Solver. So what I'll do, I'll remove these two values, okay. So as you can see, we got so I'll show you everything, okay. So as of now, just think of it as we have just copied the table from ChatGPT to Excel sheet. Okay. Next step is objective function. So here we want to maximize profit, which is calculated as selling price minus variable cost multiplied with quantity. So we don't have quantity, so we'll leave this column as it is. Okay, we are going to find this thing using solver, right? So here in E2 cell we are going to put this formula. Okay, B2 minus C2 multiplied with F2. So this one is for product A, and we are gonna enter same thing for product B also. Okay, B3 minus C3 multiplied with F3. Okay, next here F2 and F3 represent the quantity of product A and product respectively. Then constraints. We have limited resources for production, so we need to ensure that the total hours used for both products do not exceed the available resource. In cell G2 we'll enter the formula, this one. Okay, and in cell G3 we'll enter the formula, this. Okay, so these are the constraints. So output will get in true or false. Okay, I'll explain each and everything step by step. Okay, so these are the two formulas which we have entered here. Okay, so now let's use Excel solver to find the optimal production mix. Okay, first of all we have to go to data tab in Excel. So here is the data tab, then you'll get the solver option. You just have to click on it. Okay, here first of all we have to set the objective to maximize by selecting E2 profit for product A. Okay, so here we have to select the max option, then here we have to select E2. Okay, let's select that. Then by changing variable cells F2 to F3, which is quantity for product A and product B. Okay, so here F2 to F3, which is quantity. Okay, then here we have to add the constraints. So to add constraints we have to click on add. Okay, we just have to click on add. Then here first of all we have to select the range G2 to G3 for constraints. Okay, so these two things we have to select. Just drag it. Okay, then here what we have to do is we have to first of all set this constraint less than or equals to, then we have to refer these two cells D2 to D3. Okay, then we have to click on OK to add the constraint to dialog box. Okay, so which I have already added. So here is a constraint, then you have to click solve to let the Excel solver find the optimal solution. Okay, just click on solve. Okay, then click on OK. So here you can see we got the quantity of product, and we got here constraint satisfied true or false with a false, and then here is a profit. Okay, then same thing we can do for another product B. Here we have to change E2 to E3, and rest things are same. Just click on solve, then click on OK. As you can see, we got the values for profit and quantity of product and constraint satisfied for product B also. So let's see some information about the solutions. Okay, here as you can see profit, so this is the value which we got, which represents the maximum profit achievable by company through the optimal production mix determined by Excel solver for product A. So same thing for the product B also. This is the maximum profit achievable by the company. Okay, then here the value in the quantity of product represents the quantity of product A required to achieve the maximum profit. Okay, this is the quantity of product which we need to achieve this profit. Okay, same thing for product B also. And here constraints. False means which indicates that the defined constraints for optimization problem were not satisfied. So the constraints which we have were not satisfied. Okay, or to get this maximum profit, things like that. Okay, this could mean the resource allocated for the production were insufficient to meet the desired production levels while maximizing profit. Okay, it's possible that constraints need to be adjusted, that the company needs to reconsider its production strategy to achieve a feasible solution. So this is what the output is for our problems. Okay, and that's it for this video. In conclusion, Excel solver is a powerful tool that can help you tackle complex problems and make better decisions, whether you are a business professional, a student, or just someone looking to improve their Excel skills. Excel solver is a valuable asset to have in your toolkit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Also, don't forget to check out our workshop link in the description. We'll see you there. Thank you.